What if I told you there exists a disciplined path to a profitable YouTube channel, requiring neither your face nor your voice, nor any dance upon the altar of virality? No stage fright, no extravagant gear, only a clear, repeatable design that turns attention into income while you remain unseen. In this video, I will unveil a precise 5-step method, tested, teachable, and quietly powerful, used by countless creators to earn consistently online. Stay with me, and by the end, you will know exactly how to begin your own faceless channel today. Now you might be thinking, is this even possible? YouTube is so saturated, but I'm not an expert in anything. Let me let you in on a secret. YouTube isn't saturated with quality, it's saturated with people who start and quit. The algorithm doesn't care about your face, it cares about watch time and value. Your only job is to create content that keeps people engaged. And the best part? You don't need to be the expert. You just need to package existing knowledge in a more entertaining way. Let's break down the 5 steps. Follow these exactly. Step 1 is the most important, choosing your niche. The golden rule for a faceless channel is high interest, low creation barrier. Think Reddit stories, historical events, movie plot explanations, or faceless productivity tips. I've put a list of 50 proven faceless niche ideas in the description below to get you started. Pick one that you have a genuine interest in. You don't need to narrate. Use a free AI text-to-speech tool like ElevenLabs or a built-in voice generator. Your script needs a powerful hook in the first 5 seconds, a question, a shocking statement, then tell a story. Even a how-to video is a story of problem and solution. Structure is everything. This is where the magic happens. Your visuals must be constantly changing to hold attention. Use free stock footage, screen recordings, simple animations from Canva or in video, and Creative Commons content. The key is to edit on beat with the voiceover and never let a single static image stay on screen for more than 3-4 seconds. You don't need to be a pro editor. Use free software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. Your only editing goal is to maximize watch time. Use the J-cut and L-cut method by overlapping audio. Add subtle zoom-ins, highlight key text, and use sound effects. This subconsciously tells the viewer, something important is happening. Keep watching. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you unlock the YouTube Partner Program. But you can make money even before that. Use affiliate marketing. In a video about top 10 budgeting apps, have links to those apps in your description. When someone signs up, you get a commission. It's that simple. Now here is your first mission, your first step to becoming a faceless YouTuber. I want you to declare your niche in the comments. There is power in writing it down. Go down to the comments right now and type, "My faceless channel niche is your niche here." For example, my faceless channel niche is ancient history facts, or my faceless channel niche is scary Reddit stories. Not only does this commit you to your idea, but you'll also connect with other creators in the comments, and maybe even find a collaborator. So go ahead, I'm waiting to read your ideas. Let's build this together. And that's it. The 5-step proven method. Pick a niche, write the script, find hypnotic visuals, edit for watch time, and monetize. The only thing standing between you and your first faceless video is hitting that pause button and starting. The information is free. The tools are free. Your excuse is not. Now go create. I'll see you in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.